Hey everyone, in this quick tip we're going to create a thumb drive to install Windows 10 from. So in the search engine you'll type in Windows 10 download. Make sure you click the official Microsoft link. You go down here and click download now. It's going to download this media creation tool from Microsoft. This whole process takes about 6-7 minutes in its entirety, so keep that in mind. So we're going to accept the end user licensing agreement. And then we're going to select this radio button here to create a USB flash drive. Click next. And then by default, it's grabbing the settings from the computer I'm using right now, which my default language is English. Obviously this is for Windows 10, and the architecture 64-bit. If you want to change the language or the architecture to 32, which I don't understand why you would do that, you would uncheck this check mark and then just select a different language or select a different architecture. I'm just going to leave it as default. Click next, and then right here we're going to select our USB thumb drive. It's detected right there as drive number D, or I should say drive letter D. Click next. Alright, now it's complete. Hope this helps someone out there. See you in the next video.